Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share your Google Calendar with anyone you like. So when you're done with your calendars, you entered all your tasks, birthdays, and so on, and you want to share it, you want to click on those three dots right there, and you want to click on settings and sharing. Now on settings and sharing, you can actually write down the name, for example, description. And now, as you can see, there are a few ways how you can share it. So you can access the permission for events, so you can make the available to public everything, or get the shareable link and basically copy the link and share it with anyone. Or you can share it with specific people or groups. So you can actually add people or groups here. And now you will basically add an email or name from your circle of friends, and then they can see all, you can choose the permission so they can see all event details, see only if you are busy or free, make changes to the events, or make changes and manage sharing. So you can do this, and then you basically send an invitation like that. So there are a few ways, and yeah guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.